Well, hello my beautiful jewels, and welcome back to another Nadine West unboxing. So Nadine West is a clothing subscription for women, and she sends me clothes and accessories to share with you guys every month. So let's get into it. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
My name is Chauntel from Chauntel.com. These are my two girls, Selena and Eden. I am a Christian mom and wife and a relationship expert, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives and healthy families. Welcome to our channel, and we hope that you love the video. So if you are a busy woman and you don't have time to, go shopping, but you still want to look cute, then Nadine West is here for you. You pay $9 for shipping and she will send you a cute pink package right to your doorstep. And inside you will find all kind of goodies, and you get your little Nadine West sticker. Let's open it up and see what I got. You guys, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna try all these clothes on at the end of this video, so you need to stay tuned so you don't miss out. Let's get back into the video. Okay, you guys, so I got these during the summer, and it's still hot outside here in California. So check out this cute skirt. This is really cute. I remember I got some shorts like this. They were like more of a coral color, but this looks like so much fun. Honestly, this looks a little small here, so we'll see if we can fit that. So that's super cute. And there's a blouse. It is looks like it would go well with my earrings. It's got some like roses on it, so it's very señorita. So we'll see we'll see how that goes. Okay, let's check this out. It's yellow. Yellow is a good color for me, you guys, if y'all didn't know. So it looks like it's a tube top. It's like a romper. All right, it's a romper. Okay, have to add my sweater jean jacket. I think he's super cute with that. Let's see what else is in there. So you do fill out a style profile. You guys know I like to drop everything. When you go onto Nadine West's website, and it kind of gives the stylist an idea of what you like to wear, what your personal style is. So here are some jeggings. All right. And there were, this feels really nice. I don't know, what is it? I love to just like see what's inside by like surprise. Oh, it's like a kimono. It's floral print. Okay, black, can never go wrong with black. I'm dropping stuff over here as we go, per usual. There's so much, oh my gosh, so much stuff in here. So here's another one. What is this? She does tell you what it is if you look at the paper, but this is way more fun, right? This is, I thought it was a skirt, but it's not. It's not a skirt at all. It looks large. I don't know, it kind of looks like moo-moo-ish to me. We gonna see how we feel about this blue dress. It's got those ties. I really need to update. Chauntel does not do the ties. Oh, this is a nice, just little basic blue, navy blue t-shirt. And what is this? Oh, that's cute. So it's like a floral print Christmas spring. It looks like Christmas during spring, right? I think that's everything. Oh, here is, okay, so I'm gonna have, so in here you will also get all of the goodies listed for you, and I'll put all these prices for you on NadineWest.com so you guys can check it out. Let's look at the jewelry. Like one of my favorite parts, because you guys know that I love me some jewelry all day. Nadine West. Oh, it says story, lead and nickel compliant. All right, that's what it says. They're the earrings. They kind of look Aztec because they've got like feathers. So there they are. They kind of got like a little feather Can you guys see? Those are cute. So those earrings are very dainty and elegant. Now this is interesting. It's like a double color. So we've got silver and gold necklace. Silver and gold. You guys, I know it's not even yet Christmas, but like, silver and gold. I love it. That's actually very, very pretty. And there was, and I like long ones like this because they look really cute with like dresses, and I love wearing dresses. I feel like this matches a necklace that I got my mom. So these are like a soft pink, baby pink, go really well with this, what I'm wearing. This is actually from Nadine West unboxing from like earlier this year. But yeah, just like 3 cute little bracelets. Super cute. So let's go try on the clothes. No, I can never get these ties, and Miriam's right. She told me I should tie them before. Don't forget to leave your favorite outfit in the comment section below. I got a matching shirt for them. And I got them a ton of socks because they really needed new socks. I couldn't keep up with socks. So here's some more. There were purple ones.